So I'm a pet owner. I have 3 cats, 2 of which live inside with us. And yes, while they're nice and cute, they're cuddly and adorable, they do leave behind their little messes. And I'm talking about the typical, like fur. We have cat litter strewn about all over the place, and sometimes muddy paw prints. So if you want a roller, vacuum, and mop all in one, then this here from Eufy is definitely worth a look. It is the Eufy Omni C28, and it's the best value roller mop that you can get that has basically flagship features, but at an affordable price. Starting with the Hydrojet roller system. It's a brilliant system that's perfect for those liquid or wet pet messes because it applies constant downwards pressure, basically scrubbing the ground at 10 Newton meters. And it is also 9 times per second cleaning, scraping, and putting into the dirty water, the wastewater, all of that mess. The suction performance is also brilliant. It's 15,000 PA, so that's enough to lift up pet hair, cat litter, and long hair. And it also has a dual Spyro detangle 4-step anti-tangle tech. So we're going to have no hair, and they ensure that it's zero tangling, which I'll be testing out in this video and hands-on of our Omni C28. And then we have the all-in-one station. So this is where it will go back in auto empty, it'll refill the water tank, and we have the waste tank, the clean water tank, and an auto empty bin. So that dust bag can hold up to 75 days, which is impressive. And iPath 2.0 navigation. So this uses LiDAR, can also detect floor surfaces and apply a cleaning strategy according to the floor type, and also detect objects that are small. So I'll be putting that to the test as well, the obstacle avoidance, to see if it is going to be able to go around general household objects.
And just what is included with the Eufy Omni C28. As you can see there, we have the all-in-one station, the C28 robot vac itself, quick start guide, safety information, and the little plastic ramp used for it to go into the all-in-one station.
Then quick look at the underside. So we have your typical downwards firing sensors. They're used to detect levels, drops, so it won't fall down the staircase, for example. We have then our Hydrojet roller. So this is very easy to remove if need be. Eventually, of course, it will wear out. Now there's a little red tab, pull on that, and that removes the part where it's going to be scraping off all of the debris. And it does that 9 times per second. So that's the highest frequency in this category. And it's very good because it's going to be keeping it clean, and it puts all of that waste into the waste tank. So you can see here, there's this little red filter inside, so that's very easy to, again, for maintenance to clean that, and it simply just slots back into place. You can also remove the whole roller if need be. And then we have the auto empty port right here, that little hole, and our side sweeping brushes. Now the main brush with that 15,000 PA, very good because it's using the bristles on it, the rubber style, and there's also an internal comb. You can just see it now. So open that up. So this is where it is going to be detangling. So I won't get any hair stuck in it because of the 4-step anti-tangle tech that it does have. And very soon I'll be showing you what my tests are like. But if you need to remove these, so they lift up and you can slot them right off eventually when you do need to replace those. So very easy when it comes to that maintenance you have to do on robot vacuums. The side sweeper brushes, they also just pop right off. So you just lift them up and they come off just like that.
Emptying the internal dustbin is very easy, so you just need to lift up on the back here and you can gain access to it. It does use a washable filter, and it's 2-stage because just behind that filter is a very fine mesh.
So I did get my cats to donate some of their fur, and I think that cat fur is the most stubborn thing to get off, especially carpets. And this is why with my test, I put down long hair, human hair, and then the cat fur everywhere. So Vera was happy enough to donate some of her black fur, which does stand out. Now I give these robot vacuums, all of them, 2 passes, and it did an excellent job. You can see after the whole test that it's done, gone back and forth, zigzagged, it did end up leaving just one little bit there. And I think overall this is excellent considering it was just down to bad luck that it did this. And I'm showing this because this was the test that I did, and these are the results I'm going to show you. So it's almost getting everything. I'd say a good 98% of all the long hair and the fur was collected thanks to the 15,000 PA. But what about our dual spiral detangle brushes? Did they end up getting hair stuck in them? So looking at the underside of it, you can see that in the corner there's a couple little bits of hair there. That's kind of normal, but in the actual brush itself, nothing there. So that is awesome. That means that it's not going to get stuck. And from experience, I know the rollers that are all one piece, like this one here you can see, eventually the long hairs will end up like this. They all tend to get stuck in the middle. And because of the design here from Eufy of this duo spiral detangle brushes, means the brushes that nothing's going to get stuck in the middle. It will end up in the waste bin. And for the mopping, using the hydrojet, this is, of course, applying that 10 Newton meters I talked about in the intro. So basically scrubbing the floor as it goes along. Very stubborn coffee stain they put in the middle of these tiles here. Of course, not on the grout because we didn't want to ruin that. And this is simulating if you happen to have spilt coffee on the ground, or perhaps a pet that walked in with muddy feet everywhere would be a similar kind of stain. Now this footage is sped up 300%, that's why it looks very quick. In real life it's not that fast, but it's for the purposes of this video. And the 10.7-inch roller mop being so wide does a fantastic job, which is the widest again in the affordable category. So really pleased with that performance. It'll go back, it'll wash the roller in the all-in-one station, and this is the result. After washing the roller, I did remove it, of course, and you can see that it looks all nice and clean now. No sign of the coffee, and the wastewater as I poured that out, of course, it's very brown because of all the coffee that I had and some of the dirt from cleaning around the apartment. Once done, of course, it will then dry that mop so it will not smell. There'll be no bacteria that's going to be spreading around or any mold or mildew that have built up. The most important thing for me is that it's just not going to stink, because I hate it when they don't dry the rollers or the mops properly and it just smells awful. And then finally, the navigation. So using iPath 2.0 laser navigation, it went around the apartment very well. So first, maps out all the rooms. It has a quick mapping mode. And this is brilliant for when you just need to set up and get the whole map of the house. By the way, with the application, you have all your standard features. You can set up the no-go zones. You can take a look at how it will map out the whole house. And I found because it's using LiDAR, it is very accurate. Now, I did a small little obstacle test for it to see if it would avoid general household objects. So a Type-C cable, some shoes, did a very good job of seeing those objects, general kind of stuff, and then a cloth on the ground, a cleaning cloth. So imagine if you accidentally left it on the floor, or it was some socks, for example. It saw all of that, the Omni C28, and avoided them. It might have touched them, but it didn't end up trying to eat that cloth or anything, which of course you do not want, because then it would get stuck and it would fail to clean the whole house. If you were out, that would be really annoying. So you'd get home and you'd have to fix that problem. Well, not going to happen here with the Omni C28. And then the general kind of stuff around cleaning the apartment. It will go under the tables, around the chairs, the tables, legs, the chair legs, not going to be an issue. Under beds as well. It has no problems doing all of that. So that is fantastic and what you want, because it's very difficult to clean under a bed, to vacuum under there. And the Omni C28, of course, is going to take care of that. So hands-free, going to do it all for you, empty itself, clean itself, dry the mop. So brilliant. So this is why I think for pet owners out there, for the price, what it offers, that extra long hydrojet roller mop, the 15,000 PA, the iPath 2.0 navigation, and the all-in-one station. All of these features I've covered really puts it in a position that is offering flagship features, but for this affordable price. So like always, if you're interested in this, there is a link in the description of this sponsored video where you can find more information on the Omni C28 and where to buy one yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video.